Hospitals, clinics, and medical centers are another area where ESA's products and solutions are used. And these are establishments where initial faults in the power supply cannot afford to take down the entire system, which would put patients' lives at risk. It was on this premise that the innovative HospEC control and monitoring system was developed. HospEC is a complete solution ensuring reliable supplying of power at medical facilities. From low-voltage main distribution and main building distribution boards to IT system distribution systems, supplying power to operating theaters and intensive care wards with an integrated insulation fault detecting system that records and instantly shows any faults. In addition to the ever-popular conventional Foliotech devices, the HospEC touchscreen products also serve to display operational and error messages from secured power monitoring systems, measurement readings, and messages from all HospEC devices and external systems.